A. Today we're going to do a new story from our English textbook, and the name of the story is Gone with the Scooter. Now the name is saying Gone with the Scooter. That means what? Is a scooter involved in the story? There should be a scooter in the story, yes or no? Yes. And gone with the scooter means somebody must have gone away with the scooter, yes or no? Yes. So do you want to find out who went away with the scooter? Yes. Okay, so to find it out, let's find out what's there in the story. So this whole story is about a little boy whose name was Gopi. What was his name? Gopi. Now one day Gopi, just like all of you, he was a very smart child, very intelligent boy. He was sitting in his veranda and he was reading a book. He was reading a book. So suddenly he heard rustling sound, and soon he heard another sound that was thud. What is a thud sound? Thud. That means something fell down near him in the garden. Now, अब कुछ गिरा है तो क्या गिरा हो सकता है? There is a garden, so many trees are there. So he thought maybe a mango fell down, or maybe an apple must have fallen down from the tree. But then he was just like you, a curious boy. He wondered what could it be? I should find out. और उसे मिल गया मौका. He closed his book, kept it aside and moved towards the garden. And when he moved towards the garden, he started searching. He went near the bushes, near the fence. He found nothing. He again went near the bushes which are in the other direction. Again, he found nothing. As he was moving, he saw a heap of leaves. He saw a heap of leaves. And on that heap of leaves, there was a white colored ball. Can you guess which game it belonged to, this ball? Hockey. Yes, well done. You've done good reading of the chapter. So this ball was a hockey ball. It was a hockey ball. Yes. So as he found the hockey ball, which was, what was its color? White. And where did he find the hockey ball? On the heap of leaves. Dry leaves. Yes. And where were these dry leaves? Inside his house? Then? In the garden. So he found the ball, and finally he started thinking, whose ball could it be? Was it Gopi's ball? No, it was not Gopi's ball. He found it in the garden. So he started thinking whose ball it could be. So he wanted to find out. So he peeped outside the gate. He peeped outside the gate, but he could see there's no one. There was no one. अब जब तुम पढ़ते पढ़ते गायब हो जाते हो कुछ करने के लिए, तो क्या होता है? मम्मी परेशान हो जाती हैं, फिर कैसे आवाज लगाती हैं? अर्चित, where are you? Come back. Sit and study. The same thing happened with Gopi also. His mother started calling him, Gopi, what are you doing out in the garden? It's so hot outside. Come back. So Gopi said, oh, mom's calling. Let's get back. He went inside. He had a glass of water. Why did he drink water, by the way? Raise your arms to answer. Yes, Panchal? Okay, maybe he was tired while he was looking for the ball, and his mother mentioned something about the weather also. Yes, Ananya? Yes, his mother said, no, it's so hot outside. What are you doing? Come back inside. So, since it was hot, he must be thirsty. He had a glass of water and he sat on the mat and started thinking. So, what could he be thinking? Arey, aaj to ball mil gayi. Yes, I got a new ball. Now this ball is mine. Would he be thinking? Yes, he was a smart boy just like all of you. So, he sat down and he started thinking, whose ball it could be? Could it be? I don't know. I have to find out. So he decided that he will not keep the ball. Will you keep the ball if you find one ball like this? Yes. We should never keep the things which do not belong to us. Harshit, what happened? Kuch mila? Eyes here. Yes. So he decided that he will not keep the ball, and what happened then? In the evening, he went to the Playground. In the evening he went to the playground. अब सब friends मिल गए. Same thing as happens to all of you. When you go out, you play together, so you talk to each other. So Gopi said, "Look, my dear friends, I have found a ball in my garden today. Have you lost a ball? Has any one of you lost any ball?" So first of all, Manoj said, he said that yes, I lost a ball 4 months ago. When did he lose a ball? 4 months ago. So Gopi said, so this ball cannot be your ball because I found it today. Okay, so it fell in my garden today, so this is not your ball. So immediately Ramani said, then the ball is mine. Many of you are mischievous na, then you say, ye to meri hai, ye to meri hai. Same thing happened. Ramani said, this ball is mine. Manoj said, how do you know this is your ball? Tell me what is its color. And Ramani smilingly said, you show me the ball and I will tell you what is its color. So what do you think? Is it Ramani's ball? No. It was not Ramani's ball either. Then finally, Deepak, another friend of Gopi, he said, oh, I got a new ball from my father yesterday. It was brand new. It could be mine. So Gopi said, oh, it's a football, na? Boasted, he boasted na, Deepak boasted. Boasted means? अपनी तारीफों के पुल बांध दो भैया, कल ही गिफ्ट मिला है नया नया. माई फादर हैज़ गिवन मी, है ना. तो वो तो तारीफ़ें कर रहा था कि थोड़ा इम्प्रेशन भी झाड़ूं कि मुझे तो नई बॉल मिली है घर पे, है ना. तो फिर he boasted that I have got a new football, it could be mine. Gopi said, it's not a football. Everyone stop doing this with me. And the ball I found is a hockey ball. The ball I found is a hockey ball. गोपी ने भी बता दिया कि भैया ऐसा है ना, मुझे पता लग चुका है. This ball is not yours. अब तुम्हारी बॉल नहीं है, तो what's the better thing to do? Let us play. Let us play. And you people are very mischievous, as I said. तो अब प्ले की जैसी बारी आई, उन्होंने they started tossing ball to each other. दे नहीं रहे हैं गोपी को, उसने दी, पंचुल को पंचुल ने दी, अनमय को अनमय ने दी, दिव्यांश को ऐसे करना शुरू कर दिया. एंड देन गोपी said, hey, stop everyone, it's already evening, let us play, otherwise it will get dark. So what we should do? We should play. Dark, we should play. ठीक है. जैसे ही प्लेइंग की बात आई, हॉकी बॉल हमारे पास है, हॉकी स्टिक्स रेडी है, तो मनोज ने बोला, ओह वी आर गोना प्ले हॉकी. तो इससे पहले कोई और बोले, मनोज ran towards the goal post. He ran towards the goal post. Why did he run towards the goal post? Yes, Virat.
Because he likes to
Okay, who stands near the goal post, by the way? Which player of the team stands near the goal post? Navya? Which player of the team? Yes, Shanaya? Goalkeeper. So Manoj wanted to be a goalkeeper, and that's why he ran towards the goal post. Ab goal post pe goalkeeper ready hai, right? All the members are ready, and they all started playing hockey with the ball and the stick. What things do we need to play hockey? A hockey ball and a hockey stick. Yes. So they started driving it towards each other, zoo, dribbling it sometimes with the stick, and finally as they were passing it on to each other, the ball went to Jay. Look, what are they all doing? They are playing hockey. What is this? And this person standing near the goal post, who could it be? Goalkeeper. But who had become the goalkeeper? Manoj, he was. And who is she? Can you guess the name? Ramani. So one is Deepak, Ramani, Jay, Manoj, all of them are playing. And finally Manoj said, oh come on Jay, hit it hard and drive it towards the goal post. He said, ab samay aa chuka hai, we are going to score a goal. So hit it hard and drive it towards the goal post. Jay bhi thoda sa excited ho gaya. Yes, I've got the ball and I'm going to score a goal. Now you see, Jay tightened his waist around the stick. और ये देखो, ये पकड़ा Jay ने stick को और he was ready to hit and he hit it hard. And did the ball reach the goal post? No. It was such a hard hit that the ball went outside the gate and it went past the playground gate. Past means outside it, okay? उसको भी cross कर दिया and fell into the basket of a passing scooter. I was wondering throughout the story कि name तो है Gone with the Scooter, scooter तो story में आया ही नहीं अभी तक, राइट? बट फाइनली एंट्री होती है हमारे स्कूटर सर की, है ना? स्कूटर तो जरूरी है तभी स्टोरी कंप्लीट होगी, यस और नो? सो देयर वाज अ स्कूटरिस्ट हु वाज पासिंग आउटसाइड द प्लेग्राउंड एंड ही वाज अनअवेयर कि ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ है उसके साथ, राइट? द बॉल केम एंड इट फेल इन द बास्केट ऑफ द स्कूटर, है ना? एंड ही ड्रोव पास्ट, ही क्रॉस्ड दैट एरिया. By the time the children ran to the gate, oh पकड़ो 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 भैया, रुको रुको रुको, हमारी बॉल आपके स्कूटर में आ गई है. Did they get that chance to speak that? No, ma'am. The scooterist drove past the playground. Look this scene. And as the children saw, oh एक बॉल गिफ्ट मिली थी और वही बॉल अब चली भी गई. And as all the children saw this, they all burst into laughter. Burst into laughter means they started laughing loudly. Can you all please burst into laughter for me? No, some of you are doing, is that bursting into laughter? No. So this was the story. What was the name of the story? Let me check, did you all listen to the story nicely? Yes, row E. You have to tell me what was the name of the boy who found the ball? Yes, Divyansh. Gopi. Very nice. What was Gopi doing in his veranda? Ananya Kaushal.
I'm reading a book.
He was reading a book. Ma'am reading a book? Me. He was reading a book. है ना? Yes. Next question. Which ball did he find? Yes, Samira.
Hockey ball.
Full sentence. He found a बोलो, हॉकी बॉल बोल दिया फिर से. Yes, he found a hockey ball. Next question for you guys. This is row B. Who called him inside? Suvarna.
Gopi's mother.
Gopi's full sentence.
Gopi's mother called him inside.
Excellent. Very nice. Now the next row. What did Gopi decide to do? Did he decide that he will keep the ball with him? Yes, Ojasvi. Do you want to take some time to think the answer? Okay, tell. Did he decide to keep the ball with himself?
No, ma'am, he decided to find the
Owner of the ball. Yes, he decided that he is going to find the owner of the ball. Okay, testing is good going. Now I'm going to say one sentence. You have to complete the sentence. Rohi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manoj said he lost a ball dash. Yes, Divyam. Yesterday. Manoj lost the ball yesterday. Vaishnavi. Shivam. Ago. 4 months ago. Manoj said he lost the ball 4 months ago. Yes. What did Deepak boast about? Okay, Deepak boasted and said, I got a... Yes, Aishu.
Deepak boasted, I got a ball yesterday. I got a football yesterday.
As a gift.
Yesterday.
Very good. Sit down, please. Sit down. Previous day, na? Yesterday. That's what is previous day. Yesterday is previous day. All right. Now, how many friends were playing in the ground? Yes, Anme? 5. Okay, can you tell me the names? 4. Okay, can you tell me the names? You have to check and tell me if he has told the correct names, okay? Yes. Manoj, Gopi, Deepak, Ramani, and one more who had hit the ball in the end. Who had hit the ball in the end? Jay. So how many friends were playing? 5. Yes, Robbie. Which game were they playing? Lavanya. Hockey. Full sentence. They were playing So have you all understood the story? Did you all enjoy? Clap for yourselves, everyone.